Hi, my name is Tim Erickson. I am St. Paul Tim on the internet, and I am here on behalf of my company Triplo and the site simplo.site to talk about a module called Layout Contextual Menu. And this is actually an unusual video because this module is not even in the official contrib space yet. It's very much experimental, but it's solving a problem which I think would be great to solve in Backdrop CMS. And so I'm highlighting this module because I'd love for people to take a look at this feature and give us some feedback on how to improve this, and let's make Backdrop better. Anyways, this module is currently available in the repo of the maintainer bug folder, Robert. And Robert has done some great work on this just in the last week. This is coming about. You can see the last commit was today. It's a pretty simple module. The idea for this module is to provide a little contextual menu. We'll talk about what those are for those who don't know, to help people figure out which layout their page is using when they're working with Backdrop CMS. To test this module, I am going to go here and I am going to copy the link to the zip file. This is a way I used to install modules on Drupal 7 a long time ago, but I haven't done it on Backdrop at all. And the next thing I'm going to do is spin up a demo site on backdropcms.org. And this is just to show you that you can do this and you can install modules like this right on these demo sites. These demo sites are free and they're temporary. They only last up to 24 hours. So I'm going to pause for a second while this loads. Okay, that took about 20-30 seconds. And now I'm here. I can visit my site. And there it is. I'm already logged into this site. So let's just go back to the home page. And the way we would install, we can install modules on these demo sites that are on backdropcms.org through the Install New Modules feature. And normally we could look for any existing contrib module. And for example, backup and migrate, we could add to the installation queue. We could do that right from here. We wouldn't have had to click on that button, and then we can just go ahead and click install. And we can install an existing released contrib module. Oops, okay. Now I have to enable it. Anyways, just showing you how quick that is. But however, if we want to install a module that isn't on backdropcms.org listed as an official module, we can go to the manual install process. And I think what we want to do is go down here. Nope, go down here and paste in the URL to the zip file we got from GitHub. We can do this because with this file, we're able to find it on GitHub. And then we can hit install. Boom, this module was installed successfully. Let's enable the newly installed layout contextual links. Save. So if we go to the home page now, for those of you who aren't aware, these are contextual links or contextual menus. We sometimes refer to them that take you quickly to things like if you want to edit this view or edit this block or edit this block. So they're scattered around the page. Okay, what this module does is it provides us with a new contextual link, which should go up here. This link isn't showing right now, and I think that's because we need to go to the configuration and find the layout contextual links settings. And I am the first time I'm looking at these settings, and I think these might change. We had a meeting today where we talked about how these could change. But if we go ahead and save configuration, let's go back to the home page and see if that solves the problem. It does. Now we have a layout homepage contextual up here. Basically, this is telling you what page you're on. This is giving you the ability to go directly to that page and manage the blocks. Here now we can see we're on the default administrative layout, so this is just really nice. No matter what page you're on, you can see which layout you're using. You can also jump directly to the manage blocks or the configure layout for that page. Let's go back home. Let's try this one. Again, like if it's not clear to you which layout you're using, you just go up here, layout, I'm using the default layout. And if I want to manage the blocks on the default layout, oh, I love this. I love this module. Thank you, Robert. Anyways, that's really all there is to this module. I do want to call your attention to the fact that this module is currently in a private repo. It could at any time be released as an official module, in which case it would be somewhere in the Backdrop contrib space, or you could find it on backdropcms.org in the modules. If we'd love to have your participation in the discussion about this feature, and that's happening in GitHub, and I've included a link here to that. I'll go back to it, but this is the issue that originally started this work that led to this module. So feel free to provide feedback and comments on this module in this issue. It's issue 2626 in the backdrop/backdrop-issues repo. Okay, thank you very much. That's it for today.